So just a few things to watch out for. Because they're never going to give you an easy peasy one to do. It's always going to be slightly more complicated. First of all, check the formula. Make sure you get the formula right. If they ask you to do one from scratch, make sure your formula is right, because otherwise it's just all going to go wrong. Watch for 2 ions of the same type. So, e.g., in MgCl2, you obviously need to times everything for chlorine by 2. So you need to multiply delta H is for Cl by 2. You also need to watch out for doubly charged ions or triply charged ions.
Wait, so do you have to know what charge they have and just keep going until you get to the...
Yeah, normally the clue will be in the data that they give you.
Okay.
So, e.g., Mg2 plus and O2 minus, you would need to know for Mg2 plus the first ionisation energy and the second ionisation energy. For O2 minus, you would need to know the first electron affinity and the second electron affinity. So just watch out for those things, because that is how they try and catch you out. And remember, the first electron affinity is negative, the second electron affinity is positive. So for those, you have the top level, you go down for the first one, then you go up again, and then you go down.
So if we know it's going to be a negative ion, we have to do another, like 2 minus, we have to do another EA step.
Yeah, you have
positive,
2
we have to do
EA
another
steps.
IE.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's right. Equally, if it's a doubly charged or triply charged, if it was, say, aluminium, you would have to go up 3 times. Because you get aluminium plus, aluminium 2 plus, and then aluminium.
We haven't done any negative ones.
No, maybe you'll have to go up doing some of those.
On the top line, you have to get into the ionic state.
You need to have on the top line, you need to have your metal ion with all its charges. So e.g. Al3 plus in the gaseous state. You need your non-metal in the gaseous state. So if this was aluminium chloride, say, so if this was AlCl3, you would then have 3 Cl in the gaseous state.
Yeah, and then go down.
Then, when you start doing your electron affinity, that's when you go down.
Yeah.
Would it not be